MoeTheDriver, dangerously undermedicated.
Something left on my porch. Have to find out what's happening here. Something indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go out and do some logging revisions for our tuner. We got this new hot tune in here. It's pump gas, but it's about, I'm not gonna give you the numbers on it just yet, but we're gonna go do some revisions, and we're gonna go do some pulls out here in Mexico somewhere, and get these revisions done for the tuner. We're gonna email them back, hopefully get a real strong hot tune for this weekend. So we'll go out and make some runs on that pump gas, and then race gas tune after that. So what did we learn today? Mickey Thompson ET Street SS, extra horsepower? Nope. Need to find something else. I do have ET Street R over here on the side that I use for the track, but on the street, I don't think any drag radio is gonna save me now. So that was it. Anyway, I'm in the car. Here's the setup. I got this janky laptop off of Facebook for like $100, but basically it is some data logging software. It's called Data Viewer from Diablo, and I have my T1000 here that I have connected to the laptop and connected to the car OBD2. But that's the setup. It works pretty good. It's kind of janky. I mean, whatever. That's the way it works. But it did get the data that I need. What we were trying to look at was make sure that the AFR right here in the car did not go above. That's what we were doing, and we really weren't trying to, go balls out. However, we did go balls out one time, and we were at a very high mile per hour, but still at the speed limit, of course, right? So that worked out, but it felt pretty good. The car's strong, ship's strong. We did a new PCM and TCM tune, so things are looking good, man. And this is pump gas, but I'm telling you, this pump gas tune, it's gonna be pretty close. It's gonna be way down in the low 10s or something, somewhere down there with good air. It was flying, holy crap. Just based on mile per hour, it was getting down there. So for now, we should be low 10s somewhere in there maybe, because that was horrendous, crazy. Anyway, hey, subscribe, make sure you like, share, let everybody know. Share it with your buddies. If you like this, share it with your buddies, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Holla.
If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.